You know, fritters look like a jigsaw puzzle into the pot. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna strain my chocolate here, over here. I know some people back home don't strain it, you know, but I do. Here's my saltfish fritters and my hot chocolate. Hope you will enjoy this video. Welcome in, friends and family. Today I have a lovely dish on the menu here that I want to share with you. And first of all, I want to say welcome in. Thank you for being here with us. You know, it's a blessing to be back in the kitchen one more day again. Give God thanks for every day. Right, and today I'm going to be making some lovely fritters. And I also I'm going to show you what I have to put in my fritters today. And this dish, I'm dedicating it to Michelle, my very special person, my very special daughter, friend, sister, all in one. Michelle, thank you for all your beautiful, wonderful prayers every day. You get up, you send me my prayers. Thank you, darling. I love you to death. Here is some little fine. I'm going to let you read it. Some little dried anchovies, fish. I am going to be putting that into my fritters too. Right, with a piece of nice saltfish here that I put to soak. And I am cleaning it up and trying to get all them bone out of it, right? And if you come over here, we will have all them lovely seasoning on the other side here to show you what I'm going to be putting in there. So we can have a bite of them while we watch our videos. Sit down and just pick at it, Mish. That's what you tell me you love. The saltfish fritters. Don't want a bone for flying in your throat, so I'll make sure I'm getting out all of the bone them for you. Nice. And I'm going to do these fritters here with just a little different twist to it, right? I'm cutting up the seasoning for my fritters, cutting them small too. There's different ways that you can do your fritters, right? In case you don't know that. I went to the store and I see this nice anchovies, right? And this is a whole pack of it right here. And it says sodium, total sodium 30 milligrams, which is really nothing, right? And I'm going to do that up, but I'm going to be doing it different, so you just watch it. And you know, fritters have to eat with a lot of pepper, don't it? If fritters don't have a lot of pepper, it can't nice. But for those who don't like pepper, just put your amount in there that you want. And you cut it up small, so every little piece can get a piece. So, you know, I would have put plenty more pepper than this, you know. That's just me. And I have a little chops of bell pepper, a little piece of sweet pepper. Chopping up everything fine. Remember now, this is a piece of sweet pepper, not hot pepper. My friends and family, I have some nice dish coming up, you see, man. Just watch me. Man, I tell you, the little whole lady are work, you know, when me tell you say me I work it, you know, for remember me good nice dish them and bring them out to you. I just have to go buy some of the provision them for bring it out here because it's long time I don't do it. But it's the time coming up for these dishes here now. So just please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and keep tuning in so you can see my lovely dishes. And don't forget, my friends and family, you are the ones that I am making it for. Some onion. Some onion. Going to do a little bit of thyme in there too. Thyme flavor up your fritters too. I did also pull them off of the little vine, but Pops already went and did this, so it's all right. I just chop them instead. And we're going to grate our garlic instead. have to go slow with this because the grit is sharp. But we don't want to taste no pieces of garlic in there. You know? We want it be able to fry out with the flour. So just see, this is my garlic. This piece of garlic here and this piece of pepper here is going to be doing something different. Put up them pepper seed here. I'll put it over here, so. And this here. Yeah, they're washed already, but I'm squeezing out the seed out of it. God, tomato them ugly just like me. Tomato is nice into fritters. I'm going to put some more in there now, but I'm just leaving space for it. Let me do over here. So, all right, that is that. So here now, oil, not much, about that much of oil in there. If when I am moving it and I see if it need a little bit more, I will put it in there. Okay, this I am just putting it here on the side right here in this pan here because I am going to toss these fish a little bit into that pepper and oil. Let it stay there and pick up its steam. In the meantime, watch me over here. Don't want to pick up the fish too small, because I want when you put a bite into your mouth, you get a piece of saltfish in there. Love this fritters. What this big head cameraman I do over there? So over here, so you have to be, you know. See? Picking up some flavor with garlic and pepper into these fish here. You know, these are little baby fish. Here, come look at it. That they call anchovies. And they are so nice. You can eat them raw. When I say raw, you know, it's already salted and packaged. But this is bringing up some garlic and pepper into it, flavoring them up before I put them into my fritters. Nice. Okay, I'm going to get my flour now. See, this is the amount of flour that I'm going to be using in there. And I'm going to be putting in a teaspoon of baking powder in there. Yeah. It's not much fritters that I am doing because I don't want to go and soak more saltfish again. So we're just going to use that and that together. And this is about 2 cups. Yeah, a teaspoon of baking powder. That is it. Going to use a little black pepper. Going to use a little sprinkle of garlic powder. And we're going to use a little sprinkle of paprika. And we're going to use a little bit of our chicken powder, not much, about a teaspoon, or a little less than a teaspoon. And that is it. See this? It's like we're toasting it like with the pepper and the garlic. See it? I'm going to turn off my stove with it now anyhow. Okay. I'm going to mix this up. I am mixing this in together. Mixing that all in. Let me go into it first, back with this and see. Going to put in my scallion. Going to put in my pepper. Going to put in my onion. And you will get some time into it too, because they're right next to each other. Okay, this is my sweet pepper here, over here. This is my garlic, although it's great about trying to get it chopped a little bit finer. Garlic. Tomato. Stir this. Okay, my friends, look, mixing in all of this now. Tomato, scallion, garlic, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, black pepper, and fresh thyme. Going to put in some water. See how you want all the seasoning go mix into it properly. So when you bite into one of them fritters here, you taste everything that you put in there. See how nice this is? All right, I'm going to take my little fish them now. Remember, you don't have to worry about bones in this here, my friends. And my family, there's no bones. We mix this in first. And it gives it a nice flavor, you know. Them little dry fish. They call them anchovies, but not the salty one. Tip a little bit more water. I want you to look at the texture of my dough. I don't put in my saltfish yet, you know. Let me taste the saltfish here. I never boil this saltfish here, friends. I never boil it, I just pick it up. Soak it and pick it up. Salt is just right in the saltfish. See it? Nice, pretty saltfish. Went down to the Bronx and bought 3 of them. 3 saltfish. Wash off my hand. Okay, honey bunch. You can put on this frying pan for me right here. Nice. See this? See how this look nice? Piece of saltfish gone in a every piece of it. And it don't pick up small. Wow. What a nice mixture. Me want to taste the pepper because me like me fritters with pepper. Taba leko. Taba nice to kick up pepper. Wow. Nice. So we're going to come up on frying time now in a little while. Right? And you will see it. Oh boy. One thing, you know, my big head son, I see that me keep clean. You see anything more upon my one brush? All right. All right, so that's going to get hot now. I'm going to start putting in my fritters. See, it's not too watery and it's not too thick. You can't mess up the fritters now because if I mess it up, I never leave it down with Sister Michelle. Nice. My word. My fritters are frying nicely. So in a little while, I will flip them on the other side, right? Just take a look and see how they're frying. You don't put up the stove on blaze, a high flame in other words. Just let it do normal. See, it's not ready to turn yet. Not ready yet. Still want a little way to go. And we don't want one side cook and the other side don't cook. Want it soak right through. Frying in nicely. Michelle, don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know how you like it. And to all my other friends and family out there, when you try the slitters here, please send me back a comment, right? I'd love to hear about it. Still want to fry in a little bit more. Still wants to fry in a little bit more. Don't want to flip them too fast. Them have to soak through nicely. And I'm going to teach you another way too. You see when you're frying your fritters and you see these little bubble coming on top there, you know that it's frying in. You see it? It's cooking in the middle, and you don't want to drop them too thick or else the inside is going to be raw. So you see this here, this little bubble right here? Good. You know them soaking through. And I don't know about the others, but I like my fritters kind of be on the crispy side, the outside. Could I make some chocolate tea, you know? Not true. Now we make some chocolate tea. We have condensed milk. get out some of the oil out of it. These are nice and crispy on the outside. With the chocolate. Give me a little tip of the box milk there. I'm putting in these 3 pieces of hot chocolate in here. Right? I am going to make a little chocolate tea. Here, honey. I'll just put a little milk in there and some water and the 2 pieces of chocolate. Right? One broke in 2 pieces, so I just put those in there. And I'm going to put, as soon as it starts to boil up, I am going to need some cinnamon stick to put in here, please. And these cinnamon stick are from El Salvador. See it here? My girlfriend just came back and bring me these cinnamon stick. I'm going to use a little cinnamon powder in there too when I'm putting in the spice, but that one there is going to boil into it. One of my subscribers took it back from El Salvador, and Mr. Brown took back some from Jamaica for me. I'm putting in a little salt into my chocolate tea, right? You have to boil it with a little salt. Let me mix it in and show you. See the ball here? That's how they roll the chocolate.
Now, does that chocolate dissolve?
Yes. Going to dissolve right out. I normally grate it, but they tell me you don't have to because it will just boil right out. Make this take time and boil. See, you take your time and fry your fritters. Who wants to fry it faster? Go ahead and fry it faster. I like my one do just like this. Just take your time and fry it. And then now, as long as the inside is cooked. See, that hot chocolate here is cooking in nicely. I'm going to show you that the whole thing melt away in there. You see it? It melt away. There is no more. This is the cinnamon stick. And the whole of the chocolate has been melted. This is one of the chocolate ball that after it's made, that they make with it and roll it and dry it and bring it to me. Right, so we're going to put a clip of it's called the coco. So we're going to put a clip in of what it is and show you where this is coming from and how it's making this. And it don't sweeten up yet. taking out this batch of fritters, and I have another batch to put in. See, it's not burnt. I hear a footstep.
But your grandson is behind it.
Dream on.
Hello.
How you reach here?
Coco.
Huh? I am come pick you up?
Mm.
Oh. Give me chips. Love you.
Me too.
You go to school today?
Yeah.
You ate already?
Mm.
What you eat? No. You ate already?
Yes.
Excuse me?
Yes, Grandma.
Oh. Okay. All right. So you're not hungry then? Okay. So this is the last of my fritters here, and there's my hot chocolate. Oh, you see all that good stuff around there? That's all that oil from the chocolate, which is normal. So we're gonna strain it now and have a cup with our fritters. So, my friends, my family, this is what my saltfish fritters came out to be with my little tiny anchovy fish. And here is some hot chocolate that I made, right? And we have some hardo bread right here. This is a nice Jamaican Friday evening supper. This is nice too. So this is what we decide to do for today. And dedicated this to Michelle, right? Please enjoy it. And to the rest of my YouTubers and my subscribers and all of you out there who is watching my video, please to try this dish and leave me a comment and let me know how it came out for you. Right? So now we are going to give God thanks for what we're about to receive. Father, for what we're about to receive, we want to give you so many thanks, dear Lord. Please let it be of great nourishment to our bodies and guide and protect us all, Father. I ask today in Jesus' name, amen. All right. So I will take my fritters and I will serve you a cup of hot chocolate. Help yourself with the fritters, honey. Uh-oh. Wow. Nice. Nice Friday afternoon supper. Look at this. Look at the saltfish in here. See, that's just nice big piece of saltfish. Look there. See it? Look here. I see a nice big piece of bone too. So let me move it. But look here. This is a nice bite of saltfish into your fritters right there. And see one of the little baby anchovy fish here. Look in this. Look here. Look at that. And you see how nice it is. And you hear how crunchy it is. Look here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Not, and see, it's not greasy. Nice. We'll remember this. Mm. Yes, sir. Me gone back a yard. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. How lovely. Oh, Jesus. Mm-mm. Delicious. Okay, friends and family, thank you all for being here with us. Please continue to like up my channel and to subscribe to it. We're out. Nice. This is 5 pounds of goat meat. Ram goat meat. This is not cornmeal, my friends. This is roast breadfruit.
When did you start cooking?
When I was a young girl, my lovely chef in the kitchen here with me today. I'm putting a little escovitch on this.
AuntyPaulineYaadtoAbroad.